If you ask anyone who writes for a living or somewhat directly or indirectly makes money from content writing, they will say the number one thing they would like to improve is their content writing speed. Why? It's probably because this is the most crucial thing that would help them make more money and grow their business. Well, that's something you already know, right? So the big question is, how can you improve your blog writing speed so that you may create more content and make more money? And the answer is simple. Simply start creating more content than you usually do. But how? Well, that's exactly what you are going to learn in this video. Hey digital learners, Rahul here from learndigitalwithrahul.com, and today we are going to learn 5 content writing tips to help you write content faster than you usually do. So without any further ado, let's get started. When it comes to writing content faster than you usually do, before you even go into nitty-gritty content writing tips, hacks or strategies, the first thing you need to do is improve your content writing speed. Because even if you have got the words flowing fast from your mind, if you can't put them into the word processor or wherever you write, it will be very tough for you to write content faster. Look, learning to write faster is one thing, while learning to type faster is completely another. It's quite common to be unable to type faster, as various people don't know how to type faster. And I'm one of those people. I don't have a fast writing speed, but I'm improving, and so you can. Nowadays, various typing apps and tools are available on the internet. You will simply get one of those and try to learn how to type faster. Remember, it's all about practice. The more you practice, the faster you learn. And learning how to type faster will certainly act as a component to help you write faster. But that's not enough. You'll also need some content writing tips to help you speed up the process. Once you have got a mix of both skills, you will also be able to write content faster than you usually do. Alright, now that you already know the basics, let's get into the first content writing tip, which is read more and more. Writing starts before you even start typing. The first thing is you have to be passionate about the subject you are writing on. And with content writing, reading is just a form of practice. The more you practice, the better results you get. When you start reading regularly, your speed to produce amazing content automatically increases. Be it books, blogs, articles, or anything. Just read whenever and wherever you can. Reading more not only gives your content writing a pace, but also gives you a strong grip on the subject. You become better at explaining the topic of your content without much research work, which not only enhances the quality of your writing, but also reduces the time spent in content creation significantly. Number 2, prepare an outline first. Always. Another important content writing tip that significantly reduces the time taken in writing and improves your content writing speed is having an outline. An outline helps you stay focused when you write and make sure that all sorts of repeating information are eliminated. Preparing an outline takes just a few minutes. Just research well, jot down your ideas, see what's redundant, eliminate it, and start writing. It might seem to be a time-consuming process in the beginning, but once you learn how to execute it properly, you will notice how quick and easy it gets. Number 3, do deep research before you start writing. One of the most common mistakes new content creators commit is they research the subject topic as they write, and this affects their content writing speed. However, smart content creators never do content research and content writing simultaneously. They always do the tough thing first, which is content research, and rightly so. It takes you a step closer to success. Research is the toughest thing to nail when it comes to content writing. Hence, it's always better to do deep research about the subject topic before you start writing your content. The entire content writing process gets easier when you have already done deep research about the topic. Also, your content quality gets improved as compared to the process where you research while you write. So, if you want to reduce your content writing speed, make sure you do the deep research about the topic first, then start writing. Number 4, turn off spelling and grammar check while you write. Another common mistake most content creators make is they usually edit the content as they write. But you know what? When you are writing, if you do anything other than writing, it affects your writing speed. So what you need to do instead is you need to check or edit your language and spelling after you finish your writing. Simply ensure that if you have any grammar checker tool installed, it should be turned off when you write, because they simply work as distraction and affect your writing speed to a great extent. Therefore, turn these tools off when you write and then turn them on again after you finish writing your content. And number 5, write under some pressure by giving yourself a deadline. Another content writing tip that can improve your content writing speed and help you write content faster is setting a deadline and putting yourself under some sort of pressure. Well, some pressure is always good in order to improve yourself and bring the best out of yourself. Hence, you can set yourself a deadline in terms of word count. You can even reward yourself with a treat or something like that for completing the word count within a certain time limit. Initially, it might be a bit difficult for you to write within the deadline, but with time and regularity with your efforts, you'll keep on improving and soon start getting the desired results, thus helping you write content faster than you usually do. So these are the 5 content writing tips to help you write content faster than you usually do. But before you go, I have one bonus tip for you, and that is use AI tools like Bard or ChatGPT to come up with an outline. Using AI can significantly reduce time spent creating an outline and doing research. But there is a catch. This is only effective if you know how to use these tech tools effectively. Well, even if you don't know how to use them, you don't need to worry, as you simply need to tap on this video and you'll come to know everything in the next few minutes. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.